Okay, the RT is going in for the rotor and brake change today. My boy Zach and I are going to install it. (2016) RT. Just changing to the Mopar performance brakes. They just have slots, same size as OEMs. My rotors are warped, so might as well get new ones. My main man Zach getting the first rim off with his new Milwaukee impact wrench. What's the tread look like? I think I need new. So these are the Nitto 295s. Oh man, there's a nail in it. Shit. Great. These are the rear old rotors. It's gonna look dope. So we'll stop the video and we'll wait till we get them all on, and then we'll go. So there's one rear rotor on. Not bad looking. 3 more to go. So we got the left rear on, brass monkey rim, 20 by 9.5 with the new rotor and same calipers, same brake pads, just different rotor. A little sportier look. Now we'll move on to the front. Okay, so here's the right front. There's a new one. It's black painted, the hub. Here's the one that came off. You can see it's just gray, kind of rusty looking. And the new one looks much better. So again, we'll keep moving and get the final result. Okay, so we got one of the front ones on. That's how it looks. Sharp looking. And we got the rear on. So far. Alright fellas, here's the finished product. That's the rear. It might be a little bright out here to see it. And we'll go to the front. There are the fronts. Pretty simple job, straightforward, just changing the rotors and the pads, keeping the calipers.